Hi, my name's Ron and I live in Westfield, Pennsylvania, and I got a 1977 Ford 8000 dump truck for sale, and it runs pretty good. It's got fair tires. I've had it here on the farm for about a year and it seems to do the job for me. So let's take a look. It's got air brakes. It's got a Caterpillar 3208 in it, and like I say, it runs good, but it ain't no speed demon on the road, I'll tell you that. It needs another muffler. I have the old muffler. The bad roads, it fell off on that, but that ain't no big deal. So we're going to start it up here for you in a second. I'll show you the motor and then we'll take it from there. Okay, here's the motor. It's a Caterpillar 3208 Cat, and I got a new fuel filter on it and stuff, and she seems to run and start real good. It's got air brakes, like I say, and I'm going to start it up here for you in a second and lift the dump, make sure that you understand she works pretty good. Okay, we're going to go over and start her for you. You're on. Lift the bed up for you and take it from there. And away we go, folks. She kind of purrs like a kitty cat, and it's not too awful bad. I think that smoke you see going by is from my wood stove in the barn. It's kind of cold today. I got a shop here, my tractor shed. I just started up the coal stove. We'll lift the bed for you. Got a real good dumping bed, no problem there whatsoever. There she is. Don't want to hit them wires out there. She buys it. Tailgate hooks back up good. She runs good, air holds good on it, and hey, for $2 grand, what more could you want? Alright, I'm shutting her down. The air is already built up. If I had my camera, I could show you. So, there you have it. I haven't had this started for a couple days, so, and it's got electric plug-in too, which you'll need when it gets cold. Other than that, it's a good running truck. $2 grand. Hey, you got yourself a nice little dump truck here.